Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Hot 20 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, let's open the settings and here we have to find the security section. Let's tap on it. Now we have to scroll down in order to open advanced options. And here, as you can see on the second position, we've got the encryption and credentials. Now let's tap on clear credentials, which should be at the very bottom. This is the option we're looking for. And after tapping on it, your device will ask you if you really want to remove all the contents. So just confirm it with OK. And if you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, then your device will ask you to enter it. And as you can see, the credential storage has been erased successfully. What's more, here we've got the evidence. We cannot tap again on this option, which simply means that for sure we removed the certificates. So basically that's all. This is how to clear the credentials in your INFINIX Hot 20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.